4 seconds later I switch on again. So of course what would be quite clever, cow alert, what would be quite clever, and I'm sure it's possible, I just haven't figured it out, but look, it could be hectic on the bandwidth, but I think you can set your phone, well basically what I'm doing is saying as soon as I've finished taking a clip on the GoPro, it uploads automatically. So I don't know if the phone can do it, I know, you know, but certainly you could download to the app, because the app's got an auto scan feature, you know, as soon as it sees there's another video on the GoPro, it downloads it to the phone. So that's kind of the way I could do it. So it auto downloads to the phone while I'm riding. And then when I stop somewhere I can just go to Insta and push it up straight away, or pick one to push up, but I'm not 100% sure I want to do that because that's quite, you know, these things are quite hectic on bandwidth. Anyway, thought of the day.